for maybe even an hour after I took the last video. It hadn't been very long. But it's really amping up here, and we're starting into the whiteout conditions, so temperature's dropping even more, but it's just really, really windy and nasty. Be thankful, guys, if you're down south or out west in California, because this sucks. It sucks. I'm going to pan around and show you some of the whiteout conditions. Usually behind me, you can see the main little tiny main street we have up here with the grain elevator and the water tower and stuff behind us, but you can't really hardly see that today, so I'm going to pan the shot for you. Anyway, that's all I got. I'll be back out in a couple hours going in